What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to give specific prompts on Gemini AI. So let's get started. Firstly, just go to this platform of Gemini, and then over here you will see the option that says chat with Gemini. Just go over here. So now as you want to give some specific prompts, here is the option where you can enter a prompt specifically. So let me just write something like let me just type essay on football, and it will process like this and it will show you the results. So that's how you give specific prompts on Gemini AI. You can also type anything like enter, or let's say leave application for a day, like this. It will show you like this, guys. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. I'll see you guys again in our next video. If you have any queries, just comment down. Thank you for watching.